Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to improve Google AdSense earnings. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, I just got approved in the last few days for Google AdSense. Now, I've had a channel since 2009, so way back then they didn't have any criteria for qualifying for it, but they do now, which is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And I had the subscribers, but I just got to the 4,000 watch hours, so I'm super excited about it. I wanted to share with you, let's see, let me look it up here. Google AdSense. We're going to log in here, and then it's going to go, you can see that way back when I still had like $31 that hasn't been paid out. That was when I had it before. You have to have at least $100 for them to pay it out, and it'll just be directed to my business banking account. But if we go to YouTube Analytics, you'll see that I just crossed over $100. So I'm super excited about that. And I was talking to a friend of mine about just being grateful, for your earnings, because I remember way back when I wasn't hardly making anything, and I would write on my calendar like, this is when I had Google AdSense, I would write like 3 cents, 10 cents, and I was just like, okay, I'm super grateful for this money, and then you know that if you're grateful for the small amount that it will increase. And I remember going to a internet marketing event, and one of the speakers on there who makes millions of dollars, he said, my mentor told me this and it made a huge difference for me. And whenever they say that, I really listen. But he said that he told him, be as grateful for a penny as you are for $1 million. So that made a big impact, because really, if you look at this and go, oh, that's hardly anything, I'm not hardly making anything, then you won't get more. So be grateful for the small beginnings, and I'm super grateful for the money that has started to come in from my channel. You can see that it started back on 3/28 with 307, and then let's see how many days we're looking at. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in 10 days, I've made $100, over $100. So you can imagine like around $100, or excuse me, $10 a day. So this is going to continue to grow because I'm going to continue to put up videos every day. But let's just say it stayed at this and I had $300 a month. That's a car payment. Okay, I'm like really excited because I know that this is going to continue to pay me. My goal is $10,000 a month. So I'll keep you guys updated as my channel grows, but that's my goal. So you can see the highest here was $13.85. Yesterday was $12.80. So I'm really happy with that. But I'm going to share with you some things that I've researched as far as how to increase Google AdSense. Sorry about that. I had to do this video over because I didn't have the camera on the first time. So I'm going to give you 5 tips. The first one, don't think about like, I'm going to come onto YouTube and I'm going to make a lot of sales. Think about your target audience and think about what kind of problems they have, and then provide a solution to their problems. You want to provide value, because people come to YouTube, that's the second largest search engine. They come in there and they have a certain problem and they search how to find a solution to that. So that's what you want to provide to your audience and get in front of them. You're going to get more views, you're going to get more clicks on the ads, more ad revenue. You want to also look at Google Trends. So get in front of a trend or something that's really starting to take off and create a video around it. Also, you can do what's called launch tracking, where you can go to certain sites and find out what internet products are coming out. And you can't, of course, do a review on it before it comes out, but you can kind of tell a little bit about it and get ranked for that keyword. And then when it comes out, you do another video and you're starting to rank for that keyword that's very popular, because a lot of people are searching for a product that just came out. That's a great way to get a lot of views. SEO optimize, obviously you want to know how to rank up in the search engines. I've learned a lot about SEO since I started this channel back up last summer. But basically, I'm going to leave a couple videos in the description below here that I did on SEO optimization. But once you find your keyword, you want to include it in the first part of your title. You want to include it like 3 times in your description, and also, of course, in your tags. And also say your keyword in the first few seconds of your video and then the last part of your video, and that will help with your rankings. So I'm going to, like I said, I'm not going to get into that in this video, but I'll leave some more information below this video. Write content for high-paying keywords, and you'll attract high-paying ads, high search volume, and low competition in what you're looking for. So let me give you an example here. You want to install something called Keywords Everywhere. That's a free Google Chrome extension. Just install that, and you'll see here when you go into here, this is a keyword I was looking up for you guys, but World Ventures Review. So you can see that this plugin here gives you the search volume per month is 2,400 a month, and then the ads, they're going to pay anywhere from 61 cents to 3 cents. So that's, you're looking for something that has a lot. This is a big number here as far as how much people are paying for the ad, and this is a big number, but the competition, you want to be small. So if we just look up World Ventures Review, you can see 2,400 searches a month. This is really good. But in order to find the competition, type this word all in title, or these words all in title, put a colon and then a space, and then the keyword you want to have in quotations. So you're looking for something that there's not more than like 1 page of results here, because this is an exact match to that keyword. So just scroll down, and we're going to see this is actually, we're not going to go past a page here. So if we scroll up, you see there's only like 1 page of results. So this is actually a good keyword. And then the last thing is you can place more ads in your videos. Also, upload videos every day. Recommend that, because obviously the more videos you have out there, the more opportunity that people are going to click on the ads, and you're going to get paid. But I'm going to give you some inspiration. There's two YouTubers I want to tell you about. You may be familiar, a lot of people are, with Freedom Influencer. He still works a full-time job in the military, and you can see he's got over 300,000 subscribers because he uploads videos. I think he still does on a daily basis, and he earns $10,000 a month with Google Adsense. So that's just kind of an inspiration for you. That is my goal, actually, is $10,000 a month. So I'm going to keep you updated on my channel from time to time. This other gentleman here, millionaire, Andrew Monheim, Millionaire by 21. I took a course from him not too long ago, and I think at that time he was at maybe 10,000 subscribers, but he had his Google AdSense revenue was about 5,000. It was several thousand. I'm not exactly sure the amount, but he said that he's able to get more revenue than a lot of channels that have higher number of subscribers. And he shared this secret in this course that I took that I want to share with you, and that is to place more ads in your videos. He said most people don't know that you can add more ads in your videos. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to actually be doing this now, and how you can do this. But you're going to go into your video and edit it. So let's see. I just did it for this one here, but I'm going to show you how to do it. So you'll go here where it says monetization, and you can see it automatically has the one that plays before the video, and I've added 2 more. So I could add another one here, just bring this over here. And he has like 4 or 5 in his videos, and you can test it out, but he said he makes a lot more money than a lot of people that have the same number of subscribers. So you just click on insert ad and then save changes, so you can see that this is a longer video. It's like 55 minutes, but you can see now that there's four different opportunities for people to click on ads. So that's going to bring in more revenue. So those are my tips for how to improve Google AdSense earnings. And I'm going to tell you my #1 recommendation for learning YouTube marketing and SEO, which is Josh Elder's Inner Circle. I took a long extended break from internet marketing. I completely quit everything. Like, I shut down all my lists, everything. I was starting completely from scratch because I had to take time off for some very serious health problems in my family. And so then I came back online last summer, 2018. I hired Josh as a coach. I invested in his Inner Circle, which at that time was $200 a month. Now he has it as a one-time fee, which I think is an incredible deal. But what his training has allowed me to do is more than I have been able to accomplish in all the years prior in my 10 years of marketing online. I've been able to rank #1 for like highly targeted keywords. I generate 15 to 25 targeted leads per day for free. I've had $1,000 days, I've had $2,000 days on autopilot, people buying from me that I've never spoken to before. I have people finding me in my videos, wanting to join my opportunity every single day, and that's just totally different from anything that I've ever had happen in the past. So you would be like chasing people and trying to figure out how to make sales, but it just comes so easily when you're able to get in front of the right audience on YouTube, able to rank your videos. So let me show you just a little bit. Let's see. Right here, Josh Elder's Inner Circle. And like I said, it's a one-time fee, but it is worth every penny because you're going to learn how to do things the right way. This right here, free, and then there's so many other things in here too that he's added, but the YouTube free traffic, that's where I learned it from. And being a part of this Inner Circle, you can get your questions answered by Josh. He's built multiple six-figure income, well, probably it's $1 million now through free YouTube marketing. And you can see how you identify your ideal customer, create your brand, set your channel up the right way, understand keyword research, which I never understood before, and I do now. Google Trends for keyword research, analyzing your competition, do an on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and he tells you where to get your backlinks. And this is super valuable. It has made me a lot of money. And then he just added the 0 to 10K challenge. Now this is a paid course, but he has several videos that are free in here. I mean, you don't have to pay extra for this, but he shows you exactly how to set up your YouTube channel from scratch, because you want to know how to add the keywords into your channel and how to brand yourself. This is super powerful. And then I wanted to share with you one more thing. This is great here, low-hanging fruit marketing. But this right here, he said these first four videos is exactly what he did to get to 10K income per month. So he talks about creating a review channel, and this is exactly what I've done. And I think a lot of the people that started with me have just dropped off, but I took what he said and I ran with it. In fact, I'm in his sales video for his Inner Circle here. I ran with it. If he said do this, I did it, and I had no excuses. I mean, I'll get up at 3 o'clock in the morning to do what he says, because I'm going to have this be my full-time income eventually. I work as a physical therapist, and I have income of 6 figures that I have to replace. So anyway, these first four will tell you how to get to the 10K per month income, and then after that, proof of concept is going to be from there on. So you only focus on this until you get to the 10K, and then after that, you focus on proof of concept. So I hope you guys found some value from how to improve Google AdSense earnings and some inspiration on my results and some results that some other YouTubers have been able to accomplish. It's absolutely incredible. So if you want to get into Josh's inner circle and be able to have your questions answered by him, and he has a Facebook group as well that has a lot of great information in it. I'm going to leave that link in the description below this video. Also, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below this video. You can check that out if you like. With that being said, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.